Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find Reels template on Instagram. So if you want to create Reels instantly, you can use the template on Instagram, and here I'm going to show you how you can find one. First, you can just open your Instagram app and then click on the plus icon. Click on the Reel options in here. Reel, and then just click on the template button at the top, and here you can browse the templates that you think fits your need the best. You can just find one in here. For example, I'm going to use, let's try this one. Okay, so in here you can just add the media. I need to add 6 clips. Click on add media and then find 6 clips that you want to add. So after you select the 6 media or the medias that you want to the templates, click on next, and after that it will be processing and there will be the preview to the template. So this is the preview from the templates that I chose before. If you want to edit the video separately, you can click on this edit video and there will be the editing page that you can do in there. If you want to add text, you can just click on the plus icon here at the bottom, or you can also edit the existing text. And after that, if you like with the result, you can click on next, and here you can just write the captions, and here click on share after that. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.